Hey guys, Digital David here. Today I'm excited to be unboxing and reviewing for you all a smart LED bulb. This is from the brand iLUX. You can go ahead, check them out in my video description below. It'll take you right to Amazon. You can read some reviews, see more specific product details, that sort of thing. They did send me this to review in this video, but any opinion expressed is truly my own. So let's just go ahead, we'll unbox it, we'll set it up with the app and see how we like it. So here's how it comes packaged to you. Looks really cool, great product photography, great branding. Again, Amazon just ships it in an envelope or a cardboard box for you, depending on what else you may have in your order. So they have an EU version. This is the US version. And yeah, it looks really great. So let's just go ahead and see what we have inside the box. Okay, the bulb itself looks pretty sweet. It's got a really good weight to it. It feels pretty heavy. I'll show you really quick just a standard LED bulb for the most part. So it is a little taller and it's definitely heavier. So but yeah, it looks really great, feels really cool. So that's the bulb itself. And then the last things we have in the box, we have a happy and a not happy. So they just want to make sure that you're happy with your product. And then we have a one-page instruction sheet just showing you to download the app. And then you can arrange up to 50 lamps to be controlled. So that's really cool, really straightforward. There's 4 steps. We'll go ahead now, we'll download it from the Google Play Store. It's also compatible with your Apple iOS devices, and again, they have a nice QR code right there for you. So let's go ahead. I'll download the app, and we'll set this up, and I'll talk to you in a second. So I just download the app, I click the little plus button to add a new device, and I am searching currently for this light, and hopefully I have it. I can see on the screen it says iLUX lamp. All right, so it is connected. You had to actually hit stop searching for that to work. So I guess I have it currently set, it is flashing. I hit that check mark. So here's the lamp itself in the app. It's dimmable, which is really cool. So there we go. Let's see what else we can do with it. I love that little slider, really easy to use to show, how bright you may want it. Power button straightforward, on and off. That's really cool. Settings, memory function. Tap it again, let's see, so we can choose different colors. Ambience, let's just try ambience for a sec. This is called Undersea. So cool, it's blue. Try sunset. It's got a cool color to it. So there's a lot of different options right here. Then you can just actually pick whatever color you want. Do you want a purple, a blue, a pink, that sort of thing. Gradual change, direct change, so you can sort through single color, 3 colors, 7 colors, random colors. And you can adjust the speed for how often it would go ahead and do all that. There's a delay to power off, which is really cool. There's a group function with 8 groups. You can do scenes if you want to set a scene, which is pretty cool. You can turn them on and off. Music, which is cool, so it can follow music or your microphone if you want to give it that sort of permission. So there's so much you can do that they don't even talk about in this little guide. You just kind of have to, I guess, learn on your own. So there's so many different options. You can add more devices. We'll go back to the lamp itself. You can change the name. Again, you can delay turning it off. Really cool. Back to random colors. I like that one, just kind of sorting through them. Area groups. Effect mixer. Shows you the manual for, you can search. So here's lamp control. Really, it's a step-by-step guide showing you how to use all these memory functions, that sort of thing. Really straightforward. Shows you how to do the scenes. Create scenes to set up different lamp states for lamps or lamp groups, which can be switched on and off whenever. Adjust the lamp to ideal state accordingly prior to setting the scene. So you can control that for each lamp. So again, you can have up to 50 bulbs, which is pretty sweet. So the manual is really helpful. Again, they give you this one little sheet. This is just to download the app. Everything else you need to know is right within the app right here. So it's really, really cool. So here's area group. Manage the lamps in different areas. Yeah, really sweet. Really an awesome bulb. Really smart, smarter than I am. Just really nice that they give you all these different things to do, and then that manual is so easy to see right there. So yeah, really an awesome app. Really easy and straightforward. Again, just select what you want. You just tap it, then you can have, again, the ambience colors dynamic. If you hold it for a sec, you can then control its brightness, because this is a dimmable LED bulb. There's some settings too, which is the memory function. Turn that on or off, and then again, you can just control it. You can shut them all off. You can just shut one off individually, that sort of thing. You can add more. So a lot of different options. This iLUX smart LED bulbs, really awesome. Again, it's on Amazon. Links in my video description below. Go ahead, guys, check it out. You'll be impressed. You can read some reviews, that sort of thing online. Really happy with it. Really sweet. Love the different colors that you can have with it. And yeah, really happy with it. So thank you guys for watching this video. Leave me any questions, comments, concerns you may have. Hit that sub button, hit that like button, and see you guys in my next video. Thanks.